Hey guys, what's up? Bush Hog here. Now, what I noticed both between a lot of barbers, not my barber personally, he does a pretty good job, but a lot of guys don't know how to trim their beard. Assuming you can grow one. If you can't grow one, don't grow it. But I'm going to show you real quick the best way I found to trim my beard without losing length. I'm sorry, it's echo. It's a fucking bathroom. It's not a studio, all right? What do I look like? Brittany Starr, whatever the fuck that guy's name is. Anyway, look. I'm going to show you how to do this, get you looking right, and you're not going to lose any length, okay? So, first things first, I do this with a dry beard because this is how your beard is going to look while you're walking around, not while you just got out the shower and it's wet or whatever. So it's mostly mustache, cheeks, and then you want to get the sides parallel. So brush everything down like you normally would. See what you're working with. Now I did just get a haircut today. I told the barber, I said leave the damn beard alone. I'm gonna do it myself when I get home. Here's what you do. You do little trimmers. What you want to do is make a line first across here, right across the top of your lip, because you don't want to be biting on beard hairs. Looks nasty, it is nasty. So let's do that first. Try to keep your mouth closed. Obviously, I'm going to be getting beard hair in my mouth either way because I got to talk. Now you say, Bush Hog, that looks a little bit goofy the way it is right now. I'm going to show you a secret. First thing first, you want to keep kind of brushing it so you can see. Any stragglers. Now here's the secret. What you're going to do is start right here like this and then come up and then kind of you just knocking the top off of most of this hair, and that'll actually thin the mustache out so it's not so bulky and weird looking. So here we go. Be very careful. Try and keep it where you can see what the blade is going to do. See, that looks a lot better, in my opinion. Now, I don't use razors on anything except for my unibrow. When that grows in, I just hit that with a Bic. No problem. On the beard, I like to look a little bit more wild. So, you know, you just... You don't gotta get crazy with it. It's a beard. It ain't meant to look, you know, real neat or nothing like that. See? Much better. Now, here's where the money is. Okay, turn that off. Got to get these sides right. And I do this all by eye. There is no, you know, a beard, the reason why you lose length when you go to the barber is because they're always messing with all this down here. We're not even going to touch this. You can if you want to, but what happens is you take a little here, take a little here, take a little here. Here's a straggler here. Every time you comb it, you're going to get another one popping out. And what happens is you've lost, you know, an inch or whatever off your length. So, just right down the side of the head. And then sometimes I hit a little bit back here. Just kind of get that out the way. All by eye. So you can kind of already see on this side versus this side the difference. Now I'm not left-handed, so this is a little bit more. Let's see if I can get my right hand over here. Now normally you wouldn't want to wear a shirt for this, but that'd be too much sex appeal if I didn't have a shirt, so. Like I said, just take a little off the back. Whatever. If you see any stragglers up there, hey, knock them out. See that little guy right there hanging out by my ear? Which way does this thing gotta go? Knock him out. Now, let's see. First we do a little brushy brush. Kind of see what we're working with. This is pretty good. All I'm gonna do is just kind of knock a couple of these little scragglers off here that I see. Nothing crazy. Just, you know, having them get back in line and take those guys out. Anybody that's, you know, like I said, you don't want it too neat, but you want to look halfway decent. I would say that I now look halfway decent. And, you know, sometimes, a lot of the time I do let my barber do it, and he has his own little way of doing it. This is just how I like to do it at home, because I think it's simple, you know. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if there's any other male beauty tips I can help you out with. I don't know what else I can tell you to do other than shower and trim your beard. That's all I do. So, appreciate it. Leave a like, leave a comment, tell your friends. Thank you.